I'm here in Dallas, Georgia today. We are coming in tomorrow to do some sanding on the floors that have been installed, and then we'll do a finish on Wednesday and Thursday. But I'm going to take you inside. This home is another gorgeous piece that I cannot wait to share. Let's go inside. Okay, so here we are. We have a 2 1/4 white oak hardwood that has been installed throughout most of the home. We are gonna come in tomorrow to sand out the floors, and then they'll start finishing. They're gonna add a oil-based finish on these floors. It's a natural finish, so you'll basically see like all the natural colors of the wood. It'll be a light color, light and bright in the space. It's gonna be gorgeous. You'll be able to see all the detail in this floor once this is finished. Gorgeous. What a great little backyard area they have back here. Fireplace, grilling station. We have also installed all of the stair treads. This is going to be finished as well to match the main floor. We're going to be adding in some black iron rods that will go here in the stair pieces, and that's going to be gorgeous as well. So here we are upstairs. The wood is throughout most of the upstairs as well. It looks like they'll have carpet in the bedrooms, but all of this will be stained the same as downstairs. So all the hallway throughout the upstairs, it's gonna be the wood. So stay tuned for this one. This one's gonna be a work of art, and cannot wait to see how it all comes together. It's gonna be absolutely stunning.